Good afternoon, dear learners. In today's video, we are going to cover the second part of your antiseptics and disinfectants. In previous lecture, we have completed up to hexachlorophane. The first drug we are going to see today, that is formaldehyde solution. Formaldehyde solution, or it is known as formalin. Formalin contains 36% to 38% of formaldehyde, which is mixed with methanol and water. Properties: it is colorless liquid with a characteristic pungent irritating odor and a burning taste. It is miscible with chloroform and ether. Stability storage: it is oxidized in presence of oxygen. That is, whenever formaldehyde solution come in contact with oxygen, oxidation of formalin is going to take place. It is stored in tightly closed containers in moderately warm place. A contact with rubber or plastic should be avoided. Uses: it is possessing a powerful antibacterial property, hence it is used in treatment of chronic skin diseases, as an antiseptic in mouth washes and gargles. It is used in rooms, instruments, clothing, hands, operation theatre and membrane, which is used for renal dialysis to disinfect it. Means we can use for the disinfection of rooms, instruments, clothes, operation theatres, even the members, even the membrane, which is used for renal dialysis. It is also used to prevent excessive perspiration. Hexamine. Now, hexamine, it is prepared from formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, if reacted with ammonia, it is going to convert into hexamine. This hexamine possesses an urinary antiseptic property, hence it is used along with acidifying agents like ammonium chloride. Pharmaceutical formulation: formaldehyde lotion, formaldehyde gel. Brand name: formalin. The brand name is formalin. The next, that is cetrimide. Cetrimide occurs as white or creamy white, free flowing powder, faint characteristic odor. It is freely soluble in water, in ethanol, in chloroform, but practically insoluble in ether. Uses: in the form of cream, it is used for cleansing of wounds, burns, to disinfect vessels, apparatus, utensils, etc., as a preservative, and in emulsions, cetrimide is used as an emulsifying agent. Particularly, it is used in O by W type of emulsions. Official preparation: it is a stable compound, hence stored in well-closed containers. Official preparation: cetrimide cream, cetrimide emulsifying ointment, cetrimide solution, cetrimide strong solution. Official in British Pharmaceutical Cortex. And the most famous brand name is Savlon. Savlon जे मार्केटमध्ये मिळतं, it is containing an antiseptic and disinfectant, that is cetrimide. Then the next drug, that is benzalkonium chloride. It occurs as clear, colorless or slightly yellow powder, aromatic odor. It is miscible with water and ethanol uses, it is used to get relief from painful infections of mouth and throat. It is used for cleansing of skin. It is used as a preservative in eye solutions and eye suspensions. It is also used for irrigation of bladder, urethra and vagina. Stability storage, it is decomposed by alkali hydroxides and also affected by light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Brand name Clearin, Ciplox, Ferginol H, these are the brand names. Then the most important drug which is asked in your annual examination repeatedly, that is Proflavin. The drug which is repeatedly asked, that is your Proflavin. Now let us see the structure of Proflavin. If you see the structure properly, you will see that acridine is a basic heterocyclic ring present. See, 6-membered 3 rings are fused with each other and a single nitrogen heteroatom is present, then it is the basic heterocyclic ring of acridine. Now as per rule, give the numbering and you will see that at 3rd position and at 6th position there is a presence of amino group. ॲक्रिडिनची जी बेसिक हेट्रोसायक्लिक रिंग आहे त्याला नंबरिंग दिल्यानंतर आपल्याला कळेल की 3ऱ्या आणि 6व्या पोझिशनला अमायनो ग्रुप इज प्रेझेंट. हेन्स व्हॉट इज द केमिकल नेम? 3,6-diamino and the basic structure, that is acridine. The chemical name is 3,6-diamino acridine. Properties, it occurs as orange to red crystalline powder, odorless. It is very soluble in hot water, sparingly soluble in water, but practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether. Uses, it is used as an antiseptic and disinfectant. Official preparation, Proflavin cream BPC. Stability storage, it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Brand name Flavin cream, the most famous trade name containing a Proflavin drug, that is your Flavin cream. Now the last drug, that is nitrofurantoin. Nitrofurantoin, the name itself, it is containing a furan heterocyclic ring, 5-membered ring, fully unsaturated, and a single oxygen heteroatom is present at the first position. That is the structure of your furan heterocyclic ring. To this furan heterocyclic ring, nitro group is present, therefore we call the drug as nitrofurantoin. Properties, it occurs as lemon yellow crystals or crystalline powder, odorless. It is soluble in dimethyl formamide, very slightly soluble in water and ethanol. Uses, it is used in treatment of burns and for cleaning of wounds. It is also used in treatment of urinary tract infections. Stability storage, it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Official preparation, nitrofurantoin tablet IPVP, nitrofurantoin mixture BP, nitrofurantoin suppositories BP. Brand name Nephrogyesic, Urantoin, Furandine, Trifuran. These are your trade names. In today's lecture, we have covered 4 drugs: benzalkonium chloride, cetrimide, proflavin and nitrofurantoin. From this topic, the most important are definition of antiseptic disinfectant, classification, structure of chloroxylenol, structure of your proflavin, and uses of benzalkonium chloride, proflavin and nitrofurantoin. These are repeatedly asked in your annual examinations. Thank you.